Well, today is the 6th of July 2022. We have Munkkiniemen Puistotie, Munkkiniemi 18 stakes A here in Munkkiniemi Munkkiniemi, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Uusimaa, Finland. And we've also tried to get to the stakes B here, but this is really important. It's one of the absolutely best elevators in Munkkiniemen Munkkiniemi, an original Gamber's elevators here. Did not expect this at all. But of course we have filmed a lot of MP4 also here, but this is even better.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's more rare. It's 6 floors, and this number is AF546. Yeah, here we have the year of construction. It's 1938, turning 85 years old in next year, 2023. But we expected this year, 2022. Just 3 rides.
Yeah.
Possibly the best elevators in Munkkiniemi.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Spektakelweis, dat med det passionate.
Yeah. Because almost everything else of grandeurs here in Munkkiniemen Munkkiniemi that you've seen so far, almost Munkkiniemi or something else like Delta. But these are still original.
Yeah.
So, wasn't it the best in Munkkiniemi Munkkiniemi so far? Yeah, possibly. So thank you very much for watching. That's it, and let's go to the stage.